si Junior Quito Lucero. I'm 49 years old. I am a mother of 2 boys. Nakatira dito sa Angeles City.
Bali, kayo po yung owner ng JMJ.
Oh, yes. Owner and manager actually.
So, bali, short story lang po kung paano po nag-start yung business niyo.
Actually, paano ba? Kasi 15 years kami sa Qatar. So, yung company na medyo nahihirapan mga company. So, we decided umuwi ng Pilipinas. But then, we don't know how to start yet, of course, no? And then, thanks to God, because He uses people to inspire us to this business. Yes, especially yung mga Christian callings. Mr. Call sa Qatar mismo. And then, so actually ako, syempre, kakauwi, I don't know how to start. And then we pray to God how to start. Doon nagsimula. Then, we inspired, my husband was inspired to have a business like this. Although, syempre, he has when he was young, meron siyang gitara na lumanog. Meron siyang gitara na lumanog. That's why, na-inspire din siya dun sa sinasabi sa kanya. And then, I have a father who is a guitarist. He is a lead guitar. And then, we also love music. And sometimes, we are part of music ministry. So, doon, itatag yung JMJ. Yung JMJ pala is our kids' initials. John Massimo and Machu Jairo. That's why JMJ. Although kami, yung initials din namin, I'm J, Junior, and my husband, first name is Michael. So, JM din siya. So, kami lahat JMJ.
So, next naman po is, ano naman po yung mga challenges no sa pagtatayo po ng business na to since music industry nga po yung napili?
Actually, syempre hindi siya ganun kadali. When we start, we have difficulties sa kami magpo-provide sa amin. But then, my husband is really eager. So, he search ko saan punta ay kung saan kami lalapit ng mga company. Then yun nga, kita namin order. Kita niya na ng Davis. Umpisa sa Davis. Then, doon na nga, may mga iba-iba na kami guitars. I think it's international na rin yung mga brands. Yeah.
Dito po sa Pampanga, may partner parang manufacturing po ba kayo ng mga guitars or parang import? Mga local po.
Meron kami not partner, kumbaga
Supplier lang.
Oo, supplier.
Saan pong part ng Pampanga?
Sa Guagua.
Guagua. Sino pong madalas na mga customers na bumibili po sa inyo?
Actually, mga music lovers sila and mga musicians. Yun yung mga target namin. So, hindi basta-basta yung dumadaan lang din sa paligid. No. Our customers are professional musicians. Yan nga, yung may hilig sa instruments, especially guitars.
So far, meron na po bang parang kilalang tao na nag-order po sa inyo?
Actually, meron. Mga sa churches, especially mga churches, Christian churches. pastor namin.
Yung mga, especially po yung mga guitars nyo is handmade po ba or locally made naman?
Oo, meron na kami. So, meron pang ano ba yan, ongoing production pa. Meron pa yung JMJ, yung guitar talaga na galing dun sa magaling na luthier. Ayun lang. Actually, kung gusto yung mag-useless talaga sila, they must be ready with mind and heart talaga. And then yung maging seryoso talaga doon sa goal nila. And of course, dapat may pera, may capital. Hindi naman pwede yung, gusto ko ng ganito. Hindi kailangan talaga ng pera. And then, huwag mag-expect muna doon sa tulad namin, bago lang kami nag-business. So, hindi kami nag-expect ng maramihan agad na customer. So, kailangan nandun yung patience. No? And then, huwag kakalimutan yung prayer talaga kasi kailangan natin yung prayer. Para si God talaga, kami nag-pray talaga ako na, Lord, send customers. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao na nakikita nyo is interested to this kind of business. They must be music. Yung music is heart. Nasa heart nila and minds. And then walang problema. Silang ayun, na time comes, mayroon mga customers. Kasi meron akong verse yan before we start this one. Pinanghawakan ko yung Isaiah 60:22, which is, God says, when it's the right time, He will do it. He will do it. He will do it soon. Yan yung advice ko. Just wait. But pray, wait. And then God will make you ready. Mind and heart. So, yun lang. Okay. In treasuring our culture, especially in Pampanga, we honor Pampanga's rich guitar making tradition and skilled luthiers behind it, while integrating innovation and technology. Thank you.